1. Ribeye steak, a rich, marbled cut from the rib section, known for its tenderness and juicy, beefy flavor, often grilled or pan-seared. 2. Sirloin steak, a lean yet flavorful cut from the rear back portion of the cow, offering a balance between tenderness and affordability. 3. Tenderloin steak, also known as filet. This is the most tender cut of beef with a mild flavor and buttery texture. 4. T-bone steak, a combination steak featuring both tenderloin and strip steak separated by a T-shaped bone, offering two textures in one cut. 5. Porterhouse steak, similar to T-bone but with a larger tenderloin portion, making it a premium, hearty steak choice. 6. New York strip steak, a well-marbled, flavorful cut with a firm texture, often favored for grilling. 7. Flank steak, a lean and fibrous cut from the abdominal muscles, best when marinated and sliced thinly against the grain. 8. Skirt steak, known for its intense beef flavor. This thin cut is ideal for quick grilling and commonly used in fajitas. 9. Flat iron steak, a tender and well-marbled cut from the shoulder, second only to tenderloin in softness. 10. Tomahawk steak, a dramatic, bone and ribeye with an extended bone, prized for presentation and flavor. 11. Hanger steak, sometimes called the butcher's cut. It is tender, juicy, and packed with flavor. 12. Chupai steak, often considered a budget-friendly alternative to ribeye, with similar marbling and taste. 13. Tri-tip steak, a triangular cut from the bottom sirloin, popular for roasting and grilling, especially in California-style barbecue. 14. Denver steak, a relatively newer cut, known for its tenderness and rich marbling, taken from the chuck. 15. Blade steak, cut from the shoulder. It has a strong flavor but requires careful cooking due to connective tissue. 16. Cube steak, mechanically tenderized beef, often used for dishes like chicken fried steak. 17. Minute steak, a thinly sliced steak that cooks quickly, ideal for fast meals. 18. Chateaubriand steak, a thick cut from the center of the tenderloin, often served as a luxurious dish for two. 19. Round steak, a lean cut from the rear leg, less tender but suitable for slow cooking or marinating. 20. Rump steak, a flavorful cut from the hindquarters, firmer than sirloin but still enjoyable when cooked properly. 21. Oyster blade steak, a tender, juicy cut with a strip of connective tissue, offering a balance of flavor and texture. 22. Culete steak, also known as picanha, a prized cut in Brazilian cuisine, featuring a fat cap that enhances flavor. 23. Baseball cut steak, a thick, rounded top sirloin steak that resembles a baseball in shape and is known for its juiciness. 24. Santa Maria steak, another name for tri-tip when prepared in traditional Santa Maria-style grilling, seasoned simply with salt, pepper, and garlic.